Good afternoon, welcome back to Turbo Tortoise Tech. If you're new here, my name is Woogie and I will be your humble host as I do a review of the MARVO GT-60 controller. This is a little bit of a different product from what I normally review because it's actually angled for the mobile markets. And no, it's not my S9 that is on review today. Like I said, it is actually the controller itself. So this is a Bluetooth wireless controller that comes with a stand for your phone, so that you have basically a gamepad kind of conversion, and what I would like to label as basically the modern day Game Boy, isn't it? To set up and use this controller on a phone is very easy. You literally just press the home and X button, it starts to search. You can see GT60 in the device list, and then you simply connect to it, and from there it becomes the gamepad of the phone, as it were. There are quite a lot of compatible games for this as well. I just happened to pick Real Racing 3 from the list because it's automotive, and after PC my next love is cars, so it was quite a natural selection. I must be honest there, and I'm actually quite surprised. This is like, because of how strong the phones and stuff have become, it's kind of like having a PlayStation 3 in the palm of your hands. And for people that are looking to travel, etc., this might be a very natural companion. Battery life is about 6 to 8 hours of a single charge, and it's just a micro USB connection. So you could charge it from a power bank or something like that and have your phone hooked up to the power bank, and then have headphones coming out of your phone, and literally you've got a gaming device, quite a high powered one these days as well. And this is only 300 bucks for this thing, and like I say, it does come with this arm and attachment stand. It wasn't the easiest thing to put onto the device, I'm not gonna lie. I was having maybe a little bit of heart palpitations as I was putting it on. I thought, no, this thing's gonna break, right? If I force it, I tend to do that a lot. I'm a little bit clumsy and overpowerful with things, and then they break. But luckily, this was not one of those instances, and everything is pretty seamless and works pretty well. And you can use the controller on the PC as well. I do really like the feel of the product. It's like nicely beefy in the hands. It's got a good kind of comfy fit, which is going to be important if you are sitting like this on a plane or something like that, gaming for your travel time, etc. But even for people that, you know, have to sit in queues for long periods of time, or if you're out and about with your mom and you don't really want to partake in your shopping shenanigans, you can find yourself a nice comfy corner and then set up with your MARVO GT-60 controller. The overall build quality is not the best I've ever seen, but for 300 Rand to have a wireless Bluetooth controller that has its own battery life and relatively decent functionality, full set of buttons as if it was a PS2 or PS3 like kind of controller, and then compatibility with the games, it just is nice. For 300 bucks, I like it a lot. So if you're on mobile gaming quite a lot these days, and with devices becoming what they are, then this is like a nice cheap little thing to buy. I mean, most of the time if you're gaming on phones, let's say they cost you 6,000 to 10,000 Rand to get into like a proper gaming phone sort of setup, then 300 bucks and you turn it into a gamepad, maybe it's an option. I quite like it overall. Anyway, that is the MARVO GT-60 controller in a nutshell. It does work quite nicely, and right now I think I'm gonna get back to my real racing.